G'day guys, bit of a chilly day here in outer Melbourne. We're just doing the final checks on this Tsunami Honda P40 combination as a complete skid. Quite a large box you can see there behind me, so we're actually sending this to depot to make it easy on the customer on the other end. There is a bit of a backlog wait list, so do keep that in mind when you place your orders. So the response from these muscle units has been absolutely phenomenal here down under in Australia. Powered by Midwest, and this particular system has 2 soaps on remote control. Running 3/4 valves. We'll go through and just do our final leak check before we place it on board and get this unit underway. So the remote control unit allows a chemical application to a rinse in one simple, easy configuration. Super gutsy, our 50 metres of 16mm 5/8 hose. That's 9 metres. Straight over the top. So this particular unit running a 150 litre chem tank, 2 25 litre soap tanks. We've only got 1 soap on remote. The second soap will be a manual input on the Midwest proportioner, but a fantastic combination that's going to allow you to do building facades and house washing with speed and ease. The addition of our chemicals from Blue Tongue Industries, I'll drop links below, a full array to assist you in your soft washing and pressure cleaning needs. Gordon from Blue Tongue Industries. We'll catch you on the next video.